year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but
today, guys, we are styling up my front porch area. I was going to omit this portion and just go straight into the home tour, but many of you requested to see the entire process, so I recorded it, and here it is. What I am doing now, you guys are taking the planters that I've already had all year. You've seen me style them up differently, but as you see, I have purchased some containers or some holiday buckets from Dollar Tree, and I loaded one bucket with rocks just to give me that weight and sturdiness for the foundation. And for the other one, I am simply going to use it as a riser, and I'm going to go ahead and attach it, as you see here, with some hot glue to raise the actual look up, as opposed to doing it with styrofoam. I figured this would be an easier way, and I can simply pop out the foundation bucket because I didn't glue that down, and just have this as something for the next season if I choose to do this design again. So here I'm adding a little bit of hot glue to the rim of the bottom one. Then I'm going to firmly press the two together, and again I have created an instant riser for my style, adding a little pressure just to make sure that it adheres properly. You can do this using styrofoam, you can do it using pebbles, you can do it using sand, dirt, whatever you choose, but I just opted to do this route because, again, I changed the styles up so much and I use my planters from season to season. So to create an additional level of sturdiness, I went ahead and purchased a third container from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to add the same technique, adhere this to the top of that container, and move on from there. But this is just simply me creating the foundation of this actual design. At this point, I am out of a whopping $3 to create this look. Pressing firmly, I want to make sure that it too adheres to the second layer of the foundation. Making sure that it's secure, because I don't want any wind or debris to knock this down. And if you all have been following the news, you know that we got some tumultuous weather and this held up perfectly. So thank God for a firm foundation. And for those that was inquiring, we are safe and sound in this area. So thank you all for your concerns. And here, guys, I am adhering this 3-foot flocked tree from King of Christmas. It has a burlap base, and I know that that's something that I will probably never style with in the burlap design because it's more casual for my taste. So I don't mind adhering this to this container permanently. Year after year, I can simply change it out as I so desired. Again, I'm pressing firmly, doing my little wiggle dance to make sure that it is nice and secure. Giving it a little shake, because now this little 3-foot tree doesn't look like much by itself. But with the art or technique of layering, I'm going to show you how to give this 3-foot tree a full look and appearance simply by layering on a 24-inch wreath, and voila, the 3-foot tree went to a 4-foot tree and full of volume, just like that. It's all about layering and building a firm foundation. So here I am simply fluffing out the tree, and then I'm going to adhere the wreath to the bottom of the tree. I'm going to take the bottom row of the tree and simply intertwine the branches of the wreath to the bottom row to make sure that it is all now seamlessly one piece. These are all material, guys, that I already had. I simply just pulled everything out and repurposed them in my home in a different way. As you can see, I already have the foundation of my door swag hung up. I used that last year, and I believe the year before. I always remove the ornaments or adornments off of it, but I lay this one in my attic just on top of my storage container so that it does not get smashed or squished during storage season. And from here I can simply add whatever adornments I want, and you'll see that later. But now I am adhering the wreath to the base of the tree, as I stated before. This look was all about repurposing and reusing. I love to do a whimsical, traditional look on my outdoor area just to give a nod to the season at hand. And so that is what I am creating here. The door swag gives you a hint of what is to come throughout the rest of the front doorscape. I'm going all around the base of the tree to make sure that it is securely adhered to the top row of the wreath, so that as I'm styling, everything is seamlessly now one cohesive piece. And now we are ready to start adorning the tree. As you can see, what I did to the left, I did to the right, because not only will there be one, there'll be two Candyland themed trees on this display, or in this display. You guys have seen me style a gazillion trees using the deco mesh, or some call it tool, and I know that some people are apprehensive about using it, but I love it. I think it gives a fun and whimsical look and feel to your design. I decided to move everything to the center to give me more freedom to walk around the design as I saw fit. And you will see from time to time my niece pop in. She is my handy dandy assistant for the day. I am using a pretty and fun lime green deco mesh with a white snow or felt lining through it. It's so cute and whimsical, and definitely lends to the Candyland theme. And so now that I have all of the deco mesh, which it is a ribbon, I am going to add another layer of a ribbon, guys. I have this fun candy striped ribbon that I picked up from the At Home store, you guys, several seasons ago. And again, I like to buy things off season and just store them for when I am ready to style with them. Here I am adding a second pattern, because to me, nothing says looks like a layering effect on patterns and textures. And that is what I'm going to create on this doorscape. So I have this fun polka dot in the red, white, and green. Again, everything tells the same story, whether the pattern is different or the same. You will get to see me create this look using some fun, festive, and whimsical pieces, but everything will come together beautifully to create a cohesive Candyland theme. Now for the fun part, the ribbon is done. I am going to adorn the trees. Now you'll see me styling just the one tree, but what I do to one, guys, I essentially do to the other. And how fun are these candy picks? I picked those up from a local floral shop. I think I hauled them for you guys very early on in the season. Those were the only new additions to this doorscape. If I didn't mention, the trees are from King of Christmas, as well as the wreaths and the garden that the swag is made on. Everything is pre-lit. They are battery operated, so if I want to add batteries, I can have all of the pieces be pre-lit. And so now we are starting to dress the tree, you guys. So fun and so whimsical. This lollipop is going to be the crown and jewel piece for the Candyland theme, because why not? Nothing says Candyland like candy canes, right? So from there, you'll see me just add on different overscale pieces of candy themed items, solid green, solid reds, red, white, and greens. Again, it's a play on patterns, but they all speak whimsical fun. And at this point, guys, this is where your creativity just runs wild. You style as you feel and create a vision that you want. You can use any color scheme, any theme, and just have fun. It's the holiday season. It's meant to be fun and whimsical, and I love the fun vibe that I'm creating as guests enter my driveway. They get a feel of the holiday cheer. Guys, at this point, I am just adding the finishing touches. And if you see what you like and you like what you see, it's your first time visiting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys, and join the royal family. As you can see, we are so full of fun, motivation, and creativity. To my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. I hope you have enjoyed my 12 Days of Glam series. And I will conclude. You guys, look at this beautiful, beautiful trilogy of holiday cheer. I did style the swag off camera, but you'll see it's just a cluster of beautiful, fun pics as well as ornaments. Now, the next video you guys will see will definitely be my Christmas home tour. And I cannot wait to share with you how everything came together so beautifully. So click those notification bells, guys. Click them twice so that you always know when I upload new content. If you have not already, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. But until the next video, you guys, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you guys on Wednesday with the Christmas home tour.